Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of my Discord bot series. In this video, we'll be going through how to create bot commands. So, we'll be making a hello command and a ping command in this video. So, to start off with the command, we'll do at client dot command and async def, and here we have to name our command. I'll name it hello, and a command should always have at least one parameter, and the first parameter being the context, and I will be using ctx for context, and we will not be needing any other parameters since we are not taking any input from the user. We'll be taking only the command. So now to print back, I want the bot to print the user's name who executed that command or invoked that command. So I'll do await ctx dot channel dot send hello, and I want to display the sender's name, so I'll do ctx dot author dot name. So now ctx as a class named author, which is of type member. So if we go to our Python docs for Discord Py, under API references, we go to members. Here we should have the name, so this is equivalent to username, so this prints the user's name or the member's name. Now if I run the bot, the bot is online, and if I say dot hello, it says hello IndianBrudda. So now instead of just displaying the user's name, we can also mention the user by just changing this name to author dot mention, and we will have to stop the bot and restart it again. The bot is online. Now if I go here and I do dot hello, now it mentions the sender. That is for the first command. You can always go through these docs to find all the methods that the API offers, and we also have a search bar, so I can just do member dot mention, and I have here, and it gives us more info about the methods. Now to make our second command, that is the ping command, we'll do at client dot command async def ping, and the first parameter being context. Now the ping command displays the latency of the bot, so I should use await ctx dot channel dot send, and I want the bot to reply with pong and the client latency, so I'll do client dot latency into 1000. I will also round it off using the round method, and add an ms, so because the bot will be displaying the latency in milliseconds. Now if I restart the bot, and run the ping command, I get pong 400 milliseconds. So even this method can be found under client, and latency measures latency between a heartbeat and a heartbeat ACK in seconds. That is it for this video. I'll be adding all the links in the description, and also I'm including a server invite to the server in which I'm active on. You guys can join the server, and if you have any queries, we text in that server and I'll help you out.